this brush also. This is very easy to blend. But the number we said last, I forgot.
Here, welcome back to my vlogs. So today I'm gonna be doing a review of Shopee Elite. It's actually an online website, so we actually ordered some like makeup products. It's mostly by MAC, but anyway, let's try it out. And it's like a kit, like where you get. So guys, we actually got these things on this cover, but actually like we kept it on this basket for making it easy and also yeah, just look at it. So it's like a kit and we actually ordered it on Wednesday, but we got it on Saturday, so it's pretty good. So guys, there are 40 things on this kit, so which is pretty good. Like it was just 149 including 10 dirhams for the Luckily I got a tester, which is my aunt. Come on. Hi. Okay, let's start.
So we are just reviewing all the products which we received from Shopee. First is matte primer. Second we received is the sponge. Third is the foundation. Fourth is the eyeshadow. Huda. This is from Huda. Compact powder is the fifth one. Sixth is the eye pencil. Seventh is the eyeliner. Eighth is the mascara. And 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. That's it. These are the products we received from.
Let's really like apply it on her face and test it out. Come on. And this is the second thing from the 14 items. And like she's using this to apply and test.
Actually, when we are using this primer, we should apply with a sponge, brush or with hands. Even with hands is very perfect. I love to apply always with my hands, but we'll try this with sponge. We'll pour some. The texture is like this. It's really clear.
It's crystal, like crystal.
I hope you can see this.
It's nice. Look, you can just shoot.
Whatever we are applying, we should apply on our neck also, even on our ear also.
It should be the same color.
I like this sponge. This is very soft, very good actually. This is from the original beauty blender,
Yeah, it's really
and this is made in USA also.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's nice.
it's nice, very nice actually. I love this. This is the primer I ordered now. Hope you can see clearly. This is very clear one, and other which I have is little white color, but this is really good. This stay more than 12 hours. I love this.
Yes, that's one of my favorite thingy. Guys, so this is the third item and it is foundation. Let's go to her.
This is MAC foundation. Usually in foundations, very rarely we are getting SPF. In MAC products actually, in this product actually MAC SPF 15 is there, not 50, 15 is there. And the code, this is NC25. This is second shade. First is NC20, I hope. And usually I am using full coverage, something different from MAC only. This is almost going to finish.
Yeah.
This is liquid foundation. The texture is actually little brighter my skin tone than my skin tone. So we'll try this one also. Looks like this. Same thing. I'm using same sponge. Yeah, I like this sponge actually. Actually, foundation I am using some other brush. I like this brush also.
Is the fourth item, and I'm gonna open it and give it to her. The one is the palette. Voila. And it has a lot of shades. Can you show it?
Actually, this is from Huda Beauty. This is our fourth product from Shopee AE. This actually very good colors.
Yeah.
Different colors. It seems like different. They have mentioned the names also like Bear, Crave, Play, Fantasy,
Yeah.
Love Bite. Very interesting color and very dark colors. All are very dark colors.
Yeah, like
I don't know
some
how.
of them has like patterns and things on it. Like this, like some of them. The name is not that visible.
And a big mirror also there. I'm so happy.
It's really nice.
So I'm gonna apply this eyeshadow with this brush. This is actually very good brush.
Actually, we didn't got it.
I don't know which color I need to try.
Okay, I think
Usually I choose the eyeshadow colors with my dress,
so.
but when I'm sitting at home I'm very confused.
Okay, we can just use the golden shade.
Golden shade?
I think so.
Can we use some glittered one?
Oh yeah.
I think this will be good.
How about you try the pattern?
This one will try. Okay.
Okay.
This is nice actually. Yeah.
So nice.
All products are original. We already checked with the barcode. Yeah, this is also nice.
This is the next 4 items. So actually, like she wants to put it first because it's fall off or something. So let's give her this first. Open. Yeah, mic. Okay. This is the thing. And so it's a banana. Yeah.
This is actually compact powder, MAC compact powder. This is I choose actually different shade MC20. Okay,
Yeah. Okay. So
I'll try this one.
mic. Okay.
Actually, below this one, this compact powder, there is some sponge also. We can apply with this one.
Flip it on your clothes.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna apply this compact powder on. Sorry guys, I forgot to say why I am applying this compact powder here, because I am going to apply eyeliner, mascara and this eye pencil. There is a chance to fell down, so I thought I will apply some compact powder first. So if something falls down, I can just easily remove it. That is why I am applying this. This is not same shade. Actually, this smells good. Yeah, I hope. This is eye pencil. This is our 6th product, right? 6th product. This is also from MAC. In this they have mentioned that false lash effect, waterproof also. Can we apply this one? very sharp. Corner, the eyeliner should be thin and here it should be thicker. Even we can use the same pencil for down also. Yeah, this is also good actually. This is a little painful because very hard. I think after when I am sharpening this, it will be fine. Yeah, this is good. And next one is, this is also same thing they are mentioning, false lash effect, eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow pencil, they mentioned eyebrow pencil. This is eyeliner actually, but they mentioned eyebrow pencil. This, it's eyeliner only, but they mentioned, I don't know why they mentioned like that. Eyebrow pencil. This is our 7th product. I am gonna use this on this eye. Again, I'm taking my Huda Beauty for using this eyeliner. Actually, eyeliner is more good than this eye pencil. This is good.
Oh yeah, it's fine.
So I will fill this eyes also with eyeliner. Yeah. Next one is our mascara. This is also false lash effect, waterproof. I want to see the brush inside. Oh, this is very packed very well. Wow, very good. Little volume one. I'll apply again. I'm using this eyeshadow palette. Yeah, this eyeshadow mascara is very good actually. This is increasing my volume. It's good actually. This is really nice. This is our 5th, 6th and 7th product.
Actually, these 3 come in a packet.
Yeah, these 3 comes on in this packet. Yeah. This is, already they mentioned in the pack, false lash effect, mascara, eyeliner and this eye pencil. Nice. I love this. Except this I love all 3.
So guys, this is the last 6 items in this box. It's all lipsticks. So they have 6 seats. Allow me.
It comes to my favorite part. Lipstick is my favorite. There are 6 colors. So this will be from 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 items. I will do one thing. All colors I will draw on my hand. And let's see the colors. First one is this. 11. Actually this really nice to see.
Oh, that's nice.
Very nice color. See? Second one. It's 9. Very good color.
Oh yeah. I really like this color.
Almost. I hope you can see this one.
It's almost the
Little brighter. This one is little brighter. Sorry, this one is little. Yeah. This is the brighter one, and this is the darker shade. I don't know. Camera can. Yes.
same. It's nice.
And next color. First, second, and next color. This one. Actually, the packing is very good, very interesting. Usually, MAC lipsticks comes on black color.
And there is
Yeah, small also. Small pack and big pack. But
this
On this Shopee AE, I got all lipsticks like this.
Both are the same, right? It's kind of same.
Yeah, kind of same, but little darker and brighter. Yeah, this is the third color. This is the fourth color. Yeah, this is little lighter. Orange shade. I like orange shade. Oh, but this is very light.
It's like a pinkish.
And next is this. This is nude color. All are matte lipsticks. So this is very lighter. See, I don't know.
You can see this. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay,
And the last color,
next.
it's red color.
Oh, that's a classic red.
Yes. Wow, that is good actually. It's a kind of chili red. I think I will apply this red on my lips. Before doing lips, we should apply lip liner. That will give you a definition on lips. Oh, it's very bright. We'll try other color. Very bright.
Okay.
Choose one color from this.
I think I'm gonna go for the pink one because I really like this shade.
Second shade. She is saying this shade. This is.
It's really helpful.
I think same color. No.
Okay, I think this is oh yeah.
I got confused. All color are really same, almost same.
Oh
Yeah, this is the one. Okay, I'll apply this one. That red is actually good, but that is very bright color. We'll try other color. Very bright. Actually her selection is good. This also, but in camera it is little brighter, but it is not like that, little darker.
Oh yeah.
It
It's
looks
kind of
good.
red.
So I love this all lipsticks. All are good actually. Oh, one fell down. Oh. So these all are the products which we received from Shopee AE.
If you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.